Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Joyce here again for you guys today with another pantyhose try on video. So hopefully that's something that you're interested in, and if you are, stay tuned so you can see me try them on. Okay, these are nice. So today's video is actually going to be a try treats video. I have a few of these videos on my channel where I try out different treats from the subscription that I got. But before we get into that box, let's get into the pantyhose for today. So these are from a company called Platino, and these are the Nectar Basics. I've worn these a couple of times before, but I decided to pull them out for winter because I typically reserve these for like spring, summer. Anyway, they are a nude tan kind of color, and the specific color that these are in is Dakar, which is a little bit deeper than what I typically wear. I think it's Hawaii. They have another color in their range, and I think it's Hawaii. That's the one I typically wear. But anyway, these are a 15 denier, and they have a control top and a why am I blanking? What's the name? I keep forgetting. Oh, toe resistant area. Don't worry, you'll see it. Anyway, let's get this on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here they are on. The skirt that I have is a little bit loud, so you can hear the movement of the tights against the skirt, but just try and ignore that. These have a beautiful control top as well. I never used to be into control tops, but they're growing on me. I just don't like them when they're too tight, but these are just fine. They're not tight at all. Just a nice little peekaboo moment there. And as you can see, the tights make the legs look super healthy, quite shiny, quite radiant. They're also just the right tone for me, so they don't make me look sickly or anything else. So yeah, big fan of these tights. Ooh. Okay, so let's get into the Try Treats box. Now, I have a subscription with them because I absolutely love trying out different treats from different countries. So I will link everything in the description section down below in case you need to see it, or if you want to see what's up with Try Treats. Now, this time round, I did have a sneak peek. I had to open it, but this time round, our treats are from the Philippines. Ooh, I'm really excited because I have tried some Filipino snacks in my past and thoroughly enjoyed all of them, so this should be good. Right, so we've got a little card here that kind of explains everything about the snacks in the Philippines. Also got give a gift. Oh, I should have used this. Refer a friend. And a few other things, including what's in the box. So quickly, let me just see what it says about the Philippines. So the card says, this month's treats come to you from a country that is considered to be the second largest archipelago. Definitely said that's wrong. Second largest archipelago. Oh, I butchered that. I'm so sorry if I got that wrong. I apologize. In the world, and is made up of 7,107 islands. Conquered by Spain as a colony in 1521, the Philippines was named after King Philip of Spain. Oh, I didn't know that. The Philippines is also home to many natural wonders such as Bohol, which is chocolate hills, a geographical formation of 1,776 hills. In the dry seasons, the hills turn brown and make them look like hills made of chocolate. Ooh. Okay, awesome. So this is good. Nice little insight there into the Philippines, which I really appreciate these cards. It's kind of nice to learn about different cultures and different places. So let's get into the treats themselves. I'm excited. I'm hungry too, so this should be good for me. I'm gonna keep the card to the side, and actually I'm just gonna pick the biggest one that I see because I'm quite hungry today. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, Snaku. Okay, so Snaku by region. Snaku by region is a rice cracker that is stupendously sprinkled with undeniably healthy vegetable powder. Delicious and healthy, Snaku is perfect for packing lunches and snacking on the go. Let's see. Oh, I can't open it. Let me get some scissors. All right, I am back with scissors. Let's try and open this up. Immediately, I like these. They have a lot of flavor to them. I can almost taste the vegetable broth. Like, it's so nice. They have a little bit of sweetness to them as well, but I don't think they're meant to be sweet. I think they are a savory snack, but they just come off sweet, if that makes sense. But I like these. Next we have these, and these are, I think these are the same ones. Have I got it right? Sweet corn? Yeah, I think so. I hope so. I think these are the right ones. Okay, so next we have sweet corn by Boy Bawang. Bawang? Something like that. This lip-smacking corn puff snack has always maintained its trademark taste of sweet corn. Shaped like cheese balls, each bite will bring you to the country and delicious taste of corn on the cob. Let's see. Oh, it says tear here. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of corn. Oh, these are nice. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Snacks from the Philippines, so good. So these are a little bit sweet. They're quite crunchy, as you can imagine. They do taste like sweet corn, but they have the buttery flavor, which makes them a lot smoother. It's nice. These are good. Okay, we're doing well so far. So next we have Hansel Mocha Sandwich by Ribisco. Hansel sandwich is the perfect biscuit sandwich treat for those who enjoy soft crunch biscuits. Its mocha taste combined with its distinct aroma creates a unique and delicious cookie sandwich. Ooh, let's see. Oh, it's okay. Let's see. These don't quite have the same wow factor that the other two snacks had. It's nice, but they're just not standing out as much. But they are nice. Okay. And then last but definitely not least, we have Sky Flakes crackers. The #1 undisputed cracker brand in the Philippines, Sky Flakes are known for their crispy taste and oven-baked freshness. Sky Flakes are ideal as a snack in between meals and can even complement many meal entrees perfectly. Hey. Okay, these are nice. These are nice. This would be perfect with a little butter and a little cheese on top. I can see why these are the #1 favorites though. They do taste really good. So that's it, guys. Those are all the treats. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully you're enjoying the channel, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.